We love our mom, oh yes, a lot. Her hugs and smiles mean quite a spot. We change our clothes, then fold them neat. A tidy room feels calm and sweet. We play with mom, out in the sun. The garden laughs, we jump and run. Then in the kitchen, side by side, we help her cook with joy and pride. She helps us study, read and write. Her gentle voice makes learning bright. We shop together, hand in hand, through aisles of treats so bright and grand. We hang our clothes to dry with care. The breeze and sunshine fill the air. We clean our room together well. With mom's kind words it looks just swell. At dinner time we sit as one. Our day feels full, our hearts feel done. We wash the plates, each fork and spoon, and hum a song beneath the moon. Then off to bed, so warm, so tight. We dream to mom's sweet tale, good night.